Hello students, so let's solve question 10 from GATE CSE 2019. The question states that 3 of the 5 students allocated to a hostel put in special request to the warden. Okay, so there are 5 students which are allocated to a hostel. Out of that 3, so 3 of them have put in special request to the warden. Okay, given the floor plan for the vacant rooms, right, select the allocation plan that will accommodate all their requests, right? If you were to look at the options, these options are nothing but allocation plans, with the vacant rooms being marked with X, Y, and Z, right? That is what the options here display. What are the requests and who are these 3 people who have put in the request? Well, request by X, request by Y, request by Z. So X, Y, and Z are your students who have put in the requests. So this is the vacant room that particular student, that is student Z, is going to occupy. Okay. X states that he has pollen allergy and he wants to avoid wing that is going to be next to the garden. That is the request by X. Request by Y is I want to live as far from the washroom as possible since I am very sensitive to smell. Okay. Request by Z is I believe in Vastu, so I want to be in the southwest wing. Right? What is southwest? So this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. Right? So this direction is southwest. In these allocation plans, north is in this direction, so southwest it is down over here, right? So this side should host your Z, right? Is Z in this particular A option, the allocation plan, is Z in the bottom row? Not really. So this is not your answer. B, is Z in this particular row? Not really. So because of Vastu, he's following Vastu, right? He has superstition. So this is also not an option that is feasible, meeting the criteria. These 3 requests are not being met here. Now let's look at option C. Is Z is in on this particular side? Not really. North is in the same. North is this side, so southwest is this side, right? So this particular side should have your Z. And over here, Z is over here, right? So by elimination, all other options have been eliminated, and D option is very clearly the only option, the only allocation plan which follows request of Z. Mind you, all requests of X, Y, and Z have to be followed, and we know that one of the options is going to follow them. So if only one single option follows Z, that option is your answer, right? This is a single answer correct type question, right? MCQ, not MSQ, right? So MCQ, only one single option can be correct, and that particular option is D, right? Very simple question, but just look at your question, read the question objectively, and then try to answer deductively, right? Is this following the request, the rules or not, right? And you're going to get the right answer. And I hope you learned something. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.